Good afternoon, everyone. How many of you woke up this morning and said, I can't wait till a Yankee comes and tells us all the ways we're broken? Well, it's your lucky day. My comments today are going to reflect my observations and my consulting practice on what we're doing well and what we can improve upon with rewarding partner behavior. All lawyers, but partners in particular, because they are the owners of the business, to really drive the behavior to grow our businesses in the way that we need. Does anyone here have no problems whatsoever with their incentive plans that are in place today? We drive all the right behaviors, our partners work perfectly and collaboratively? Raise your hands for those of you, because you're dismissed. You can go start drinks. I was wondering why work told me to bring a Speedo bathing suit to this event, but now I know. We'll be in the nautical theme later tonight. That's me. You can read about me in the app, so I won't say any more. I will say this. There's a couple things that I like to share about my style, my commentary. And I have my own little Bitmoji. Isn't that wonderful? It looks just like me, except thinner. I often say provocative things. I say provocative things not just in this group, but my job is to go to a partner retreat or go to a conference full of managing partners and say, you are very, very, very smart and you are very, very wealthy, but you are terrible business people. And here's the 47 different ways in which you can improve. I think many times we are respectful because of the hierarchy in our organizations, and of course we're nice people, but we need to say some things to these leaders, these fantastic, wonderful, smart leaders who don't have a clue how to run their businesses. So it's entirely possible I'll say things today that you've been saying in a different way for years. I really like the administrator crowd because we're business people. We understand what goes on to run a business. We understand how to make money. And we gently try to prod our lawyers into improving the way they operate. So I may not say anything startlingly new to you, but perhaps I'll give you a different impression of how to sell it internally, or I might give you some quotable quotes and tweets, which I've prepared for you. Feel free to tweet away. So I can say the provocative things that need to be said so you can then say, well, sure, that he's an ass, but here's how we would do it here.